I was to host the event. Nakasalalay sa host kung ano yung energy ng event, the mood ng event. I was really nervous.
Magandang gabi mga prinsipe at prinsesa. I am Kisses, your host for tonight, and I warmly welcome all of you sa isang gabing ito ng kasiyahan at katuwaan. Everyone, let's start this 13 Ball 2016 with the introductions, beginning with the boys. The first teen housemate is Edward. Siya ay isang funny boy from Germany. He is caring and a protective brother to his sister. This young guy is from Batangas. Mahilig siyang kumanta at mag-play ng gitara. Aside from his beautiful voice, he charms everyone, also with his beautiful eyes na parang glass.
First time ko nakaranas ng ball na ganun.
The next one is Yong. He is the most hardworking person I've ever met. Sa kabila ng lahat ng kanyang pinagdaanan, he manages to smile very brightly.
First time ko po sumuot ng ganun. Sayaw ko.
The next one is Christian. This guy is an athlete, a cook, and is a so-called walking encyclopedia.
Yung ball na prepare nyo po para sa amin, it was something else po talaga, kuya. Kumakain si Liza mo.
The next one is Marco. This guy from Italy loves to cook and make sure that everyone is full before he eats.
I was excited and also scared because first time mag-ball, hindi ko alam kung mag-uusap o tingin-tingin lang.
The next one is McCoy. When I first met him, I knew that he was very attractive and very, very nice.
Sunod na tinawag ni Kisses ang mga girls.
First one is Ate Maymay. Si Ate Maymay, siya ang ilaw ng tahanan namin because she has shown us nothing but love and care.
My was really beautiful, and also her hair was back and she had makeup on. Simple, not too much.
Feeling mayaman, feeling artista, feeling maganda. Paano sa panaginip ko lang yun eh.
You look beautiful.
The next one is Fenech. She is a shy young girl who has the mind of a brave, strong girl.
Parang dream come true na din po kasi gusto ko din yung mga ganyan. Masaya po. Thank you po, kuya.
Na para kay Cinderella yung kanyang gown. Kahanga-hanga.
The next one, she is Rita. Siya ay ang batang hindi nabubusan ng energy. Siya ay nagsisilbing inspirasyon sa mga tao. Dahil sa kabila ng lahat ng kanyang napagdaanan, mahal na mahal niya ang kanyang pamilya.
She's not used na magsuot ng gowns, pero nung nasuot niya na yung gown niya, wow, beautiful, kuya.
Sobrang saya ko po, kuya. Habang lumalakad po ako, nawawala yung mga kaba ko.
The next one, she is Heaven, a hulog ng langit. She is this beautiful princess, and she has an angel's voice.
Yung kagandahan niya sa loob, nakita ko sa labas.
She is her mother's angel.
Aww.
The next one, she is Christine. Christine is a sporty, beautiful girl who is also a school leader. Last but not the least, we have Ate Elise. Ate Elise is a very beautiful young lady. she is not only beautiful, she is intelligent. Mahilig siya sa amin magbigay ng advice na magagamit namin sa buhay.
Of course, McCoy and Elise were gonna stand out. And Elise, while all the girls looked like princesses, she looked like the queen, and McCoy was the king.
At ang huling tinawag ay si Vivery.
And now, we have a princess who doesn't have a prince, but is just as equally dazzling. We have Vivery. Vivery is a very smart and very talented young lady.
Si Vivery po, yung walang prince, but she's still the strongest in the girl. Ganda ng dress ni Vivery.
She loves to sing and also loves to dance, and even writes her own songs. She is her own knight in shining armor.
Medyo kuya, kinda disappointed kasi nga 'di ba parang it's a ball. So, expected na dapat may partner ka. Pero syempre tanggap ko naman po. Maybe it's destiny or siguro nagkataon lang.